Hi everyone, good morning. This is Harshdeep and I am the founder of Legitt AI. In today's video, what we'll do is we'll try to create a contract in from the templates and then send it out for signing, or we have to sign ourselves. So once you log in into the platform, you land on My Work. In My Work, all these functionalities that help you either create or you can upload and sign, upload and review a contract. They are available. You can chat with Lana. You can check the nudges that Lana agent has provided for you if there are any pending actions that need to be taken from your side. All these things you can right away manage from My Work. So now if we have to create a contract, just click on create. Uh, Pick up a template, click on template. So once this pop-up opens, there will be a couple of options here, multiple options. So one is the org template. So when you upload a template, you can mark it that is this available for the entire organization, or is it my own template? So if it is your own template, it will be available only for you. If it is organization-wide template or org template, as we call it, it will be available to all the team members that you have on your team. Then we have free contract templates by Legitt AI. Then we have created a bunch of templates which are specific for startups. They can use it. So total, if you see free contract templates that we have and the startup templates we have, there are around 500 plus templates that you can pick and choose. Okay. The most used templates, they start appearing here. So you know which are the most used templates across the organization. Say we have to create a general NDA. Click here. It'll give you options at the bottom right corner. If you see you want to continue with Microsoft Word, so what we have done is we've partnered with Microsoft, and now Legitt AI add-in is available for Microsoft Word, which means once you download it from appsource.microsoft.com, just go and search Legitt AI. You'll get the add-in. You install it on your Word. You create the document in your Word document. From there on, you can directly upload the document onto Legit AI. So we'll discuss this scenario in another video. And continue is for continuing with the Legit AI editor. So which is an AI native editor, and right now the most powerful editor or the most versatile AI editor across the globe. So you would love to work with it. So once you click on continue, what it does is it pours all the content of the template onto the editor. Wherever there are variables, wherever the information is required from your side, for example, date, the party information, the purpose for which this is a non-disclosure agreement. Okay, so for what this NDA is being generated, so all these details you need to fill in. So you can just click here. Today is the start date. Disclosing party, say Legit AI. Click on save. It'll update here. If we have to update the address, it'll you can update the address. Second party that we say are signing with NASA. Insert their address. What is the purpose? Say implementing Legit AI CLM. Click on save. And if you have to update this information at all the places wherever this comes, just click this. It'll fill in all the fields. Okay. What I want to show you here is, say for example, governing law. So you can, rather than updating here, you can just chat with Lana agent. Update the governing law to Delaware. Click here. It'll go through the document. find wherever governing law is applicable, and it'll update yes to the state of Delaware. So this is, and it'll highlight that okay, this is the change that I've made. Do you want to accept it or reject it? Click on accept. It'll complete with complete formatting of the document and context of the document. It'll add this information to the template. Okay, so now you can fill in all the rest of the information that's there. What are the two parties that are signing it? Who's the signatory for the disclosing party or the receiving party? Once you update it, click on save, and then you can add the signatories. So by default, what it does is, whoever is creating the document, for example, I'm creating the document, it has added me as a signatory. You can add the other signatory. Say, let me say my co-founder Ravi is the second signatory. um, and then if you want to add the company details, you can do that. These are optional. Click on save and continue, and it'll add the second party. From now, it's very easy. You can just drag and drop it wherever you want. Say I want to place it here. The second party, I want to place it here. Okay, you can adjust the position if you want the initials. That okay, here I want the initials as well of this person. Sorry, you can adjust wherever you want to place it. Okay, once you have done, you can also create a workflow of collaborators, signatories, approvers. I'll create a separate video for it because this is again a very important topic. Once you have added the signatories, you can finish the document, and it's telling me that okay, the template that we chose, 11 variables in this template are not yet completed. So we can also create a configure a kind of restriction here that until all the variables are completed, or you want to just delete them, you cannot send it out for either approval or to the signatories. But then again, if you just want to finish it and send it away, uh, just finish, and this is the email that will go out to the signatory. So you can edit the subject that okay, this is, you can maybe add a date. This is 4th of December 25, or you can edit the content of the mail. This is the delivered, a single liner that goes here. If you see, you can add the expiry. So if the person, by default, if the person signs the document within 30 days, good to go. Otherwise, the link that we send, the URL that we send expires in 30 days. The person cannot sign. You can either remove it, or you can add, say, update it to 15 days or 10 days, whatever you want. Okay. And then you can send reminders that, okay, send automated reminders till the person does not sign the document. Send a reminder every day, every 3 days, every 7 days. This can be configured. Once you have filled in all this information, click on accept and continue. Okay. So now, if you see, it has updated the workflow here. That document was initiated by this person, what date it was finished, then sent for signing. And once they sign it, it'll update the signatories. Okay. So now, if you have done a mistake, um, you can recall the document as well. Okay. Or you can proceed for signing. Say, for example, I am also added as a signatory in this document. So what will happen is, if I go to my work, okay, one, it'll give me a nudge here that there is this general NDA which you have to sign. You click here, it'll take you to the document. Also, it'll come in my inbox here. So this is the new email that has come. Take action now. 4th of December. This has just now come. I'll click on sign document, and it'll take me to the document. Okay. Click on continue. It'll take me step by step where I have to sign. So here are the initials. I click here. I can pick up or I can draw as well. Let me just pick up this, adopt. Then next, it will take me to my signatures. Click here. So I can type, I can select the font or the color also, that okay, I want to sign it in red. Okay, or I can draw. Okay, I can upload an image. I can also, if I have saved signatures on the platform, I can use that. Otherwise, let me just pick this font, click on sign, and it has updated in the color that I have selected. Once, it'll not let you finish the document till you have signed at all the places required or put on your initials. So now when we click on finish, what it does is it'll update the workflow as well, that okay, this person initiated, there are two signatories, Harshdeep has signed it and Ravi has yet to sign. If we want to see the detailed audit, it'll show me that these people have signed it, these are still gray, and this person, these were the two signatories, this has signed on this date, this day, Ravi has yet to sign. And if I want to see the signature certificate, this is the ID that has been generated. This is the signature of the person, and complete all these details. Once the second person has signed, it'll add the details of the signature certificate right with the document. So let me quickly refresh it. Okay. So now if you see, not only in the audit, it has updated all the details here as well. So you'll see it in the document, you will see it in the certificate, and once the second person signs it, it'll complete the process and create the signature certificate for this. So this is how you can create a document, edit it using the AI editor, Legitt AI editor, and the Lana chat agent, add signatories, and send it out for signing. Thank you.